Hello everybody, it's Jim with Blue Box Auction Gallery, showing you another instrument coming up in our big music auction that is this Friday, April 9th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remember, you can bid online from anywhere in the world and we do ship, and you're welcome to come and sit right here in our gallery and watch the live auction as well. This piece that I have here, this is a Bach Stradivarius sterling silver trumpet, and this is a B-flat trumpet. And this is model number 72. It does come with some accessories, which I'll show you in a minute. There are two mutes that come with it. There's a mouthpiece that comes on with it. And there's some cleaning equipment and then some musical scores as well. It is a beautiful silver finish, and you can see the condition is quite nice. And then these are those accessories. I'll show you the two mutes that come with it as well. There you go. A nice piece to your collection. Check it out. And thanks. We'll see you on Friday.